Guys, it's Grant and Dylan today. But dude, we had a storm and it's really bad, guys. I'm gonna see the damage. It's freaking bad. See, there's like water camping over here. Like my dad's just pouring, and I don't think I can even get. Look at all that glass. They're pouring up the windows. The storm that has thunderstorms. Having a video.
Making a YouTube video, Dad? Yeah.
I'm gonna go and grab the dumpster and leave it around front.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, this is jail. Yeah, right here, guys. Let me see your glass. Down right there. Oh, dang. You gotta tore up the seats. Dang. I thought it just broke the glass, but it did more than that.
Alright, don't make the video all crazy now.
I'm not. Like, I'm just showing you the people with the glass.
No kidding. Look at all the rubble. Look at all this rubble.
Guys, I'm just gonna show you that. But thanks for watching.